Afternoon. I now have the difficult task to keep you awake even after lunch. So I hope I succeed with that. At least this is not a boring research talk because it's more like an overview of a perspective on research, and it's a summary of different pieces of research. But at the end, I've never personally or in my group did research this topic because it's a far too big and far too wide topic. Nevertheless, I find it very interesting if this is a conference, or among others, a conference on enterprise information systems, to somehow explore a little bit what means enterprise and what is special in this enterprise perspective from a research point of view. And research means, in my case, I've always been at business schools, a business-oriented perspective on research. And by education, I'm also in business and not in computer science. And so this may somehow, it certainly be biased, and it certainly may, or it may be a little bit different than other perspective here in the room, which is, again, a nice foundation to do a little bit of discussion. So, enterprise level IS research, looking beyond enterprise solutions. That is the idea. Is enterprise IS AIS, which is somehow used in the enterprise, or means enterprise something different? And that's the first thing I want to elaborate on. So basically, before we look into how we see it in our group at the moment, I want to look a little bit back to where it started, how it started, where it developed, and where it is today. So after looking into the 1980s, basically 1990s, I want to elaborate a little bit on, well, what means enterprise level? Is it different from what we call organizational level in IS, or is it the same? So that will be a part of the discussion. And then I'll introduce 3 topics from which we believe these are unique topics on the enterprise level. You don't find them anywhere else, which makes this level interesting for research, because if this is a topic with your collaboration partners or with your strategic positioning of research, then, well, you have to do research at the enterprise level, because these are particularly enterprise level topics, or themes, so to say. And these themes occur in different contexts. And theme in a context means